Hi everyone, I'm Shreya from Online Help Guide, and in this video I'll show you how to fast forward or rewind a video on YouTube. First step is opening your YouTube app. Then select a video that you want to watch. There are two ways to fast forward a video. First option is double tap gesture. Double tap at the right side of the screen to fast forward the video by 10 seconds. The second option is to click the settings button at the top right corner. Then select playback speed and choose faster speed like 1.25, 1.5, 2.5. Similarly, you can rewind the video in two ways. Double tap at the left side of the screen to rewind by 10 seconds. Repeat the double tap to go further back. Another method is to drag the red dot backwards to rewind to a specific point. Release the resume playback from the selected spot. And that's how you can fast forward or rewind a video on YouTube. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos.